would help if we weren't like not on a hill.
You can keep this one in the car with you.
This tent is straight up dirty, but it's an awesome tent.
Isn't it awesome? Dude.
It's like you would sleep 4 people, very comfortable.
Oh, it'll sleep. Let's see, 3.
We got this whole open area.
You can put 1, 2, 3. You can put 4 queen-size beds in here.
Dude, that's a lot of space.
You're on candid camera.
4 queen-size beds. Fancy that.
Not let this mattress go far because it's a good mattress. I can use this every time we go camping. Good. Are you making video cameras?
Yep. Say something profound.
Something profound.
Fart!
I can't get it to go down.
That happens.
You gotta unplug it.
Oh yeah.